Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is all about BoxyCharm. Thanks for joining me. I'm gonna go through this box to show y'all what's in the March box. Let's get into it. Okay, so let's see what's inside. This month's theme is BAE Cation. And what do we have in the box? We have the palette from Pure that's been all over Instagram. I've seen all of these pictures from the trip in Mexico for this palette. There's also a mascara from Butter London, Mega Volume Lacquer Mascara. Oh, so before I move on to the mascara, the eyeshadow palette, that's a retail value of $36. And then the mascara is $20. And then you have a South Main Beauty Under Eye Gels. I guess not everybody would get this, but this one is under eye gels and it's a retail value of $10. Then we have Vintage Cosmetics Company Smokey Eye Makeup Brush Set, and that's a retail value of $23.15. There is a conversion rate here, which would imply that the Vintage Cosmetic Company is UK based. And then we have the Pretty Vulgar Make Them Blush, and that one has a retail value of $26. So let's see. And let me try and pull them out in the same order as the information card. So this one I'm assuming is going to be the Pure eyeshadow palette. It's not labeled or anything on the packaging. So this is what it looks like. And let's open it up and see what it looks like inside. If I could, oh, okay. So I gotta open it first. I gotta take this seal off first. Let me take this seal off first, and then we can actually get to open it. Right. Okay, now we're in business. Let's see what it's inside. Oh yeah. Well, this is to show that nobody else has opened this palette, so I should be quite happy about that. Ain't nobody got inside it to swatch it or to play around with it or anything like that. So good on you, BoxyCharm. Alright, let's finally get the palette open, see what it looks like inside. So this is a palette. You have 12 eyeshadows in here. They all look gorgeous. The only drawback that I see for me is that there aren't any crease shades for girls of my skin color. But that's okay. There are still some really gorgeous shades in here. I am drawn to this blue. I am also drawn to this shade. So let me just check on the back to see if it tells you what shades, what the shade names are. No shade names, but we know that it's cruelty free, it's gluten free, it's talc free, it's vegan friendly. So that's really good. And how much product do you get in this? It does not say, but you have a 6-month shelf life. It's made in China, so if you have any reservations about that, just be aware. And let me see. Oh, here it is. Net weight of 0.05 ounces, 1.5 grams for each. So each of these is approximately the size of, is it the MAC eyeshadow pan that's 0.05? I believe so. So basically the same size as a MAC eyeshadow pan. So let me just swatch to see. Let me swatch the bottom row to see what it looks like. I already primed my arm with my usual Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. So let's start with the first one, which is Boxy Black, it's called. Next row. And the final row we have Squad, Belle, Nakey, that's cute, and Perfect. Perfect spelled with a U, of course. So this is the last row, or the top row I should say. I started from the bottom. Started from the bottom, now we hit. I just had to say that. So there we go. So that's what all 12 shadows look like. So you can see these are the more matte. They are matte, but they have more of a satin finish. And then you have the shimmer shades. You have a couple of matte shades, or 3 I should say, and then you have the metallic, which is the blue. Well, actually this deep gray, which is called Boxy Black, it actually has a slight bit of sparkle in it. Let me try and give a fresh swatch of this so that you can see, because it does have some gold microparticles in there. It might not be so easy to see on camera, but maybe if I pick it up you'll be able to see. Yeah, very slightly. If I turn it from side to side, you can see some very fine gold microparticles in there. So it's not a shimmer shade. So that's what it looks like, all 12 shades. I am quite impressed. Well done, BoxyCharm. I'm going to give this a test run real soon. And you know what? This actually isn't too bad for... It's not going to be a crease shade for me, but it sure will be something that I can use for the outer corner of my eye. So that's good. I mean, I have use of almost every shade in here. Matter of fact, I could use all shades in here, to be very honest. So I'm impressed. This is good. Good job. Alright, so next is the Butter London Mega Volume Lacquer Mascara. This one is for $20. And let me see what the mascara brush looks like. I'm such a snob when it comes to mascara brush wands, because I do like... Let me see and hope that it is the kind of brush that I like. Okay, I could try with this. I don't tend to like the ones with the very spiny bristles. But you know what? I'll give this a try, because these bristles are really fine and it looks like it will give a nice even coat and separate the lashes. Alright, so next, under eye gels from South Main Beauty. I'm interested in this because I do tend to have some under eye fine lines and dark circles, so I'm going to give this a good true test. And this one is $10, and there are 3 eye gel packs that come in here. So I'm going to assume that it's 3 pairs. In fact, let me check and see if it's 3 pairs. Yeah, so it's 3 pairs that comes in here. And the retail value for this is $10. Next is the Vintage Cosmetic Company Smokey Eye Makeup Brush Set. And what does it look like? Here are the brushes, and it comes labeled actually, so you have a step 1, a step 2, a step 3. If you see, I'm not sure if the camera, there we go. So step 1 for the money, step 2 for the show, step 3 go girl go. That's cute. Have to love that. Right, so this is what the brushes look like. They are not the full length brushes that you would typically get from like a Sigma brushes or MAC, but they are long enough to be able to hold them comfortably. Sometimes these travel brushes or these brushes that come in subscription boxes tend to be really short, so it's not so comfortable to hold them, but these look good. I do like them. And then the Pretty Vulgar Make Them Blush. Now, I have never tried Pretty Vulgar blushes before, but this one, I have to say, I do love how it looks. It's like a fuchsia pink, and let me see. Nice pigment, and it blends out nicely. So, yeah, that's impressive. I do like it. Yeah, well done, BoxyCharm. So again, BAE Cation is the theme for this month. Let me know what you guys got in your box this month. I know that there are 3 items that everyone will get, and I believe those 3 items are the Pretty Vulgar and the Vintage Cosmetic brushes, and of course the Pure Cosmetics, Pure and Boxy Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. So let me know what you guys got this month, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care. See you later. Bye.